Are vertical lines appearing on your HiSense Roku TV screen like this? Don't panic, in today's video I will show you the best ways to fix those annoying lines and get your display back to normal if it's a software issue. So first start with the full power cycle, also called a cool boot. So just you have to unplug your TV completely from the wall outlet. Don't just turn it off, make sure it has no power. So while it's unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV itself, usually under or on the side of the frame. So now you have to press and hold it for about 30 seconds to drain any leftover power, and then wait at least 5 minutes before plugging it back in. And this just gives the internal component time to fully reset. So when you reconnect it, plug the TV directly into a wall socket if possible. Avoid using a power strip or surge protector for now, since unstable power can sometimes create display issues like vertical lines. Now turn the TV back on and check if the issue is gone. Next thing you have to must check your HDMI cable and ports, because loose connections or a faulty cable can easily cause vertical line or strange display issue. So you just have to unplug all HDMI cables from the TV and try using a different high-speed HDMI cable if you have one. And also switch to another HDMI port to see if the problem changes or disappears. If the line still shows up, it may be the cause for very low temperatures could be affecting the TV hardware. So you have to try using a hairdryer on the back of the TV for a few minutes on low heat and from a safe distance. So warming it up may help fix the issue temporarily. And you can also try a forced system reboot if it's a software related. So you just have to make sure you are in the home screen and just press the home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. And the TV will freeze briefly and restart on its own. So if the problem still continues, move on to a factory reset. But keep in mind, a factory reset will erase all your apps and settings, but it can help fix deeper software issue. So for that, you have to use the physical reset button on the back of the TV. So just you have to press and hold it about 15 to 30 seconds while the TV is powered on. And then you can see the HiSense Roku TV logo and the setup screen. So after that, if vertical lines are still there even after a reset, then it's most likely a hardware issue. So in that case, it will need a technician to repair or replace the part. And I hope any of this process fix your issue. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.